How to install Rida app cheaper than taxi ride. So let's just try to install it, see what this app is about. Of course, it's not that popular as Uber or Lyft, but yeah, it's getting some reviews. I don't know, maybe this app is being owned by Uber. Uh, as Uber is just buying all the competitors. So yep, I guess then you can just try to create an account, or let's just try. And then you can just start creating your account. And then, so yeah, you can then just enter. All right, so here it is. You can just enter your location. I think this app is quite buggy though. So yeah, here it is. And then if you want to enter a promo code, you can enter it here. So that's where you enter your referral code. So that's basically, yeah, something like that you can just start out from here.